It's the best value T4 on the market in the UK. Right, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I bought a brand new van. It's a Volkswagen T4.
Whoa, Will. No, you haven't. We have.
Right, okay, I haven't actually bought a new van, but this is my sister's and her boyfriend's new van. So my sister's behind the camera, and it's her boyfriend Steve. So today we're gonna go around this van and see what it is. It's the best value T4 on the market in the UK. So how many miles has this van done, Steve?
This van's done just over 215,000.
And so it's pretty good, still solid, still going.
Doing pretty well, yeah.
What age is it?
2002.
It's nice.
Yeah.
So should have a little look around the van and have a little tour.
Let's do it.
So what are the plans for this van?
So luckily this van came, as you can see, so a lot of it's been like pre-done.
Yeah.
So we don't need to do too much to it. We've already given it quite a good clean. It came quite dirty.
Yeah, it looks good, nice and tidy.
And we've, want to be travelling in it.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, it looks really good. It's really cool. I think it looks really cool. I've never had a T4. Let me know in the comments below, guys, do you got a T4? And do you prefer a Caddy or the T4? So, yeah, let us know. All right, shall we have a look on the inside?
Yeah, let's do it.
So, inside the van, let's have a look at the tour. What have we got then, Steve? What's the inside of this?
So, luckily it's come pre-kit. We've got a nice little kitchen here. We've got a full stove. We've got 2 gas burners. So, you've got a left and a right one with our gas nice and neatly put and below there. Okay. The previous owners were really nice. They gave us a little heater. So we've got that in there. So we can close all that up. We've got cupboards there, cupboard here, and then we've got cupboards under here and here as well. We've got fully kitted out with electrics. So we've got an electric panel here which turns these little lights on at the top here. We've got a little 2-pin. We've got some plugs here which we can plug. When we're plugged into the mains, they'll work straight off of that, so we can actually just plug straight in when we go to any campsites there. We've also got a little fridge which works as we drive in to cool things along.
Yeah.
And then again, when we get to the campsites, we can plug that in.
Yeah.
Or we'll run for a little bit of time with a leisure battery as well. That's what we're told anyway.
This is really good. So much better than my Caddy. A lot more space, way more storage. It's nice having the cooker and the window as well.
Yeah, we've got windows both sides.
Yeah.
And obviously at the back as well, which is really nice.
It's really nice condition as well for the age. It's great.
Yeah, it is really good condition. We've got a couple of bits of like the ceiling coming off a little bit, which we just need to stick back up. But other than that,
ideal.
Stick some curtains up.
Yeah.
And get going, really.
Cool. What are your plans for it? You keep it the same or strip it out and do something else?
I don't know, I haven't thought about that.
If you're enjoying this van tour, let us know. It could be the next Top Gear, but you never know.
Cool, so it's also got this great rock and roll bed. It's just got a little latch at the bottom. Just click that and then just give it one good swift pull and you get a full bed out of it. Nice 6 foot. So I'm 6 foot, I can lie on it really easily. 2 of us, no problem at all.
Right, so the back of the van, brilliant condition. I think it's really, really nice.
It's really nice, yeah.
It's way nicer than a lot of like modern vans, so I think that's really, really good. And the plastic looks amazing, doesn't it?
For a van that's 22 years old, yeah, it's done really, really well.
And done this mileage as well, it's well nice.
Yeah, totally.
So,
what we're also loving.
Tailgate.
Tailgate, which works really nicely on its the hydraulics, whatever they are.
Yeah.
So yeah, we can come under here, obviously, if it's raining and whatnot, we can still stand out here.
That's cool.
Really good. Rock and roll bed just packs up nicely in the back.
Yeah. Can you sit on that when it's
not really? It's a little bit like small, but you can kind of perch against it if you needed to.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
But yeah, it's really good.
Have you guys got a rock and roll bed? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button as well. So, anything else about this? I think it's looking pretty good, really.
It's looking pretty good. Age of the vehicle obviously does show a little bit. You've got a couple of bit like some very small like rust stains on the bottom.
It's not too bad.
We've got some more we'll talk about in a bit.
Well, I don't know about you guys, but I think this is an absolute bargain. It's such a nice van. I think it's really cool. I actually really like it. might be thinking of getting a Transporter instead of a Caddy now, but yeah, it's really good. So I think it's great.
Yeah, for a vehicle of this age, it's done really well. There's only one part that we want to have a look at, which is obviously the rust around the windscreen. But we've been told it's a really common issue.
Yeah.
We've had a couple of quotes; they're not too bad to be having a look at for this window. So we're going to hopefully take it there and then do that.
Yeah. Oh, nice. And I've just noticed as well, you've got the roof bars.
Yeah, we've got the roof bars
as well.
Really handy. They came with it.
Yeah.
So we can stick our kayaks, our surfboards and stuff up there. So
that's cool. And are you doing anything with the wheels? Getting alloys, or you keeping the steels?
We'll have a look at some alloys, but probably just spray them for now.
Yeah.
Seen your video, great video. Go check it out. Thumbnail below.
Nice. Thanks very much. All right. Well, I think that's a great van.